Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your bank account after a long week of studying or a 9 to 5 workers and thought, where did it all go? Bills, rent, groceries, life just eats your paycheck. Now imagine this. What if you could build small income streams on the side using just your laptop or phone without quitting your job or sacrificing your studies? In today's video, I'll show you 5 real side hustles: referral marketing, customer service, viral repost agency, graphic design, and dropshipping. Each one is practical, beginner-friendly, and can grow into serious income if you stick with it. And here's the best part: you'll learn how to pick up the skills, how to get started, and what steps to take right away. So stick around until the end, because your future self will thank you. Side hustle 1, referral marketing. First up, referral marketing. This one is surprisingly powerful because you don't need money, inventory, or advanced skills, just trust and consistency. The idea: companies pay you for bringing them new customers. Ever seen apps like Uber or Cash App offering bonuses if your friend signs up? That's referral marketing in action. How to learn? Start by searching referral program or affiliate program for apps you already use. Amazon Associates, Rakuten, and Impact all have beginner-friendly platforms. YouTube has step-by-step tutorials showing how to share links effectively. How to start working: 1. Sign up for a program, it's free. 2. Grab your personal referral link. 3. Share it with friends on WhatsApp groups, Instagram stories, TikTok reviews, or even LinkedIn if it's a professional product. Action tip: don't just say, "Here's my link." Instead, provide value. Example: I saved $20 on my first DoorDash order with this code. Try it. Example: imagine you refer 10 friends to a streaming app that pays $5 each. That's $50 with zero cost. Scale that across multiple platforms, and you're building steady pocket money. Referral marketing is attractive because once your content circulates, it can keep generating income even while you're asleep. That's true passive income. Side hustle 2, customer service. Chatdesk.com/career plus go.com/JCA. Next, customer service. This one is perfect if you enjoy talking to people and solving problems. And the good news? Companies like chatdesk.com and go.com/JCA are always looking for remote agents. The idea: you help customers by replying to emails, chats, or social media messages. It's flexible and often part-time, making it great for students or 9-to-5 workers. How to learn? Communication skills matter most. Watch free videos on customer service etiquette in which tell how to handle complaints, how to stay calm, how to type professional messages. If you want to stand out, take a short course on Udemy about customer service or communication. How to start working: 1. Build a simple resume. Highlight soft skills like patience, clear writing, problem solving. 2. Apply through ChatDesk's career page or Geo's job portal. 3. Once hired, they'll train you on their system. You just need to be reliable. Action tip: be consistent. Customer service can start as $5 to $10 per hour, but good performers get more hours or better paying clients. Example: imagine replying to 20 customer chats in the evening for 2 hours a day, 5 days a week. That's 10 hours. Even at $8 per hour, you make $80 weekly or over $300 a month without leaving home. For many people, that's enough to cover internet, groceries, or tuition fees. It's not glamorous, but it's steady and it works. Side hustle 3, viral repost agency. Third, let's talk about viral repost agency. Social media thrives on short, engaging content. You don't even need to create original videos. You can repost existing viral clips legally and build a page that earns through ads and sponsorships. The idea: collect viral videos from TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram that are copyright free or allowed for reuse. Repost them on your channel with edits, captions, or branding. How to learn? Study big compilation channels on YouTube or trending TikTok accounts. Learn basic editing on free apps like CapCut, Canva, Filmora, or DaVinci Resolve. How to start working: 1. Pick a niche: motivation, fitness, memes, or tech hacks. 2. Download clips with permission or find Creative Commons content. 3. Edit. Add your logo, text overlays, subtitles, and background music. 4. Upload daily. Consistency is key. Monetization. Once your account grows, you'll earn from ad revenue, brand deals, and affiliate links in your bio. Action tip: always add subtitles. Most people watch without sound, and subtitles boost retention and shares. Example: If you build a motivational shorts page with 10,000 followers, you can insert affiliate links like best books for success or gym equipment deals. That's income on top of ad revenue. The viral repost model is all about volume and consistency. Post daily, and one viral video can skyrocket your growth. Side hustle 4, graphic design. 3-minute, 4th, graphic design. The demand for digital content is endless ads, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, business flyers, and more. And you don't need to be a pro artist anymore. Tools like Canva, PixArt, and Figma make it beginner-friendly. The idea: you create designs for small businesses, influencers, or students who need polished visuals. How to learn: start with Canva's free design tutorials. Recreate ads or posts you admire to practice. Study color psychology and typography basics on YouTube. How to start working: 1. Build a simple portfolio design for yourself, friends, or school clubs. 2. Sign up on Fiverr, Upwork, or freelancer.com. 3. Offer small packages: $10 for 5 posts, $5 for a YouTube thumbnail, etc. Action tip: niching down pays better. If you specialize, for example, only real estate flyers or YouTube thumbnails, you'll attract repeat clients. Example: if you sell 20 YouTube thumbnails a month at $5 each, that's $100. But once you improve and charge $15, the same work can make $300. Graphic design is both a skill and a service. The more you practice, the more valuable you become. Side hustle 5, dropshipping. Finally, dropshipping. This one has been popular for years, but the model still works if you're smart. The idea: you set up an online store, sell trending products, but never hold inventory. When a customer buys, the supplier ships it directly to them. You can get your profit from the price difference. How to learn: Shopify's own YouTube channel teaches step by step. Study product research methods. Use tools like AliExpress, TikTok Made Me Buy It Trends, or Amazon bestsellers. How to start working: here I am telling you some tips, which you follow them and start work. 1. Choose 1 to 2 trending products. Avoid trying to sell 100 items at once. 2. Set up a Shopify or WooCommerce store. It takes a few hours, and also you start on eBay. 3. Promote products with TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, Snapchat, or small Facebook ads. The secret isn't in building a fancy website required. It's in picking the right product and showing how it solves a problem. Example: let's say you find a $5 phone stand on AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, or Temu. You sell it for $15. That's $10 profit per sale. Sell 30 phone stands in a month, and that's $300 extra. Scale with ads, and it can turn into thousands. Dropshipping requires testing and patience, but many entrepreneurs start here and later build full e-commerce brands. Call to action. So there you have it: 5 powerful side hustles: referral marketing, customer service, viral repost agency, graphic design, and dropshipping. Each of these hustles can fit into your schedule, whether you're a student with assignments or a 9 to 5 worker with limited free time. None require huge investment, just commitment and consistency. Remember, start small, focus on learning, and scale step by step. Success doesn't happen overnight, but in 6 months, you'll look back and thank yourself for starting today. Now I want to hear from you. Which side hustle are you most excited to try first? Comment below, I'll be reading your answers. And if you found this helpful, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you don't miss the next guide. Share this with a friend who needs extra income ideas. Your future self is already saying, "Thank you."